Welcome back, everybody. I got you another video. Before we get started, let's do that usual housekeeping. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and a notification button to get all the updates and all the videos that I put out. Now, this is a disclaimer.
Disclaimer. Persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Now, as everybody knows, Hurricane Helene hit the Florida Panhandle and it went up into Georgia and South Carolina and North Carolina, did devastating damage. And now with Hurricane Milton going into the Tampa area, there's been a very low in getting videos from certain agencies, which I totally understand. I was able to obtain one video from Columbia County, Florida, where on 8/4 of 2024, deputies got a call that there was a person that was involved in a car accident, and they got there. It was very chaotic. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
10-4 should be in the area of 27 and Waffle Glen. They're advising a vehicle that run off the road. Drivers possibly have signal 53.
You in this car?
Yeah, that's fine. We just come up on it.
Okay. Y'all know who she is?
I know.
I didn't see it, nothing like that?
We didn't see it. We were driving past, and I seen the car in the ditch. I was like, are they in trouble? And he's like, I think so.
Okay.
So we flipped around and
I got you.
back.
All right.
Saw the airbags deployed.
Yep.
She was like in there, she wasn't like stuck, but she couldn't get out.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Well, if y'all, you don't have to hang out if you don't want to, but if you didn't see nothing, you're good to go. If you want to.
Yeah, I don't know if she drunk or she
Yeah, we'll
said
find
something
out.
about there being somebody with her too, and I don't know if they took off on her or what.
Okay.
You're okay. You're okay. Want some water?
Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
You gotta talk to us, okay? Okay?
It's over there. I'm sorry.
Real quick, she was on the driver's side? Okay.
Here just a minute ago, you see her tire tracks right there. She took off and went after another girl, so I don't know if that's the one that was with her or what.
Okay. All right.
She's supposed to be coming back.
All right. Thank you.
They left me here.
I understand they left you. But
I'm trying. I didn't want to leave here.
You're
That's
fine.
okay. You're not in any trouble right now. You're good.
I didn't want
We just need you to talk to us to make sure that you're okay.
Hey. What's her name? What's her name?
Tell them your name again.
What's your name?
come out here if they said they weren't going to.
Hey, son, you're fine. Listen to me. All these guys have to do is to make sure you're physically, medically okay.
I'm so sorry.
Just work with them, okay?
Molly, we're going to get in the back of the ambulance to get you out of the rain so that we can take you out of
I can't tell you. She's probably going to be drunk. So
Awesome.
just do what you got to do at first, and then kind of let me know what you think.
I will.
All right. Y'all getting alcohol off her also?
So, I'm pretty sure she's drunk.
Yeah, I know. She was acting like she was drunk.
So, she claims she was in the back seat, and she says that they left her.
No.
I don't know.
These guys said that they helped her out of the front seat of the driver's seat.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why I got their info.
That makes sense.
She's freaking out because she knows.
Yep.
So, go ahead.
I told you when I still wanted my mom. That's right.
Yeah.
You're fine. She's gonna get your information.
I assume, because they already wanted to smell it. You smelling on her or anything?
No, she admitted to being high.
Oh, what?
Yeah, she said tripping, and I was like, so tripping like bullshitting or tripping like LSD tripping? Like what? There's a lot of tripping. And she said, no, we were high. I tried to get my friend to come with me, but she wouldn't come with me. So I don't know if it was just the weed, what it was laced with. I don't know, but she admitted to that. I haven't really gotten.
And the driving?
As far as I know,
Yeah. Well, there was a person that got her out of the front seat, so.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. She said she tried to get her friend to come with her, but she wouldn't come with her. So she was the only one in the vehicle, from my understanding.
All right. Well, do what you gotta do. Does it look like you're gonna need transport at all or no?
She doesn't want to go with us.
All right. Perfect.
She's gonna be a refusal.
All right. Let me make a phone call to the trooper real fast to see how far out we're thinking.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
That's the part that we gotta deal with now. So.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
You're about to get tased.
Tase me. Fuck. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
My hand is right here, bitch.
Put it behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back now. You're gonna get it again.
My back. Get off me now!
Let me go ahead and work on getting these cuffs back.
Get off me now! I didn't do anything to that man did to me.
What did you have anything to tie her?
I have some.
I can't breathe.
Stand up and behave.
Hey, help me, please. Listen, mommy.
Are y'all able? I'm trying to think of anyone.
Help me, please. Help me, please. Get him off me. Help. Get him off me now. Oh my God. Help, mommy. Please help me, mom. Help me, mom.
I'm just saying because.
Mommy! Help, please. I can't breathe. Hey, I can't breathe.
Might suppress her respiratory system.
Whatever. Fuck all of you.
So, I mean,
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. And all of you are gonna fucking go to jail. Get off me now!
Don't let her bite you.
Get off me now! Help, please! Please help me! Please, I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Please help me! Please help me! Help! Help, please! Please help me!
Let's work on, I guess, getting these things behind your back.
Please help me, baby!
They want to get you up on your butt.
You want to sit up? You want to stand up?
You up on your butt.
All right. Okay. We're going to work with you, okay?
Roll over. Can you roll on your side?
I just want to go home.
Okay. You know what? Let's work on getting you home then. But you have to work with us, okay? So you can't be fighting us no more, all right? We want to get you home.
Please, I want to go home.
Okay. We got your mama here and everything. Hey, listen, hey, come here. Let me take these.
Help, please. Get off my hand.
We're trying to help you. So there's gonna be this one with the handcuffs on it.
Please.
All right. There you go.
I didn't mean to.
It's okay.
I didn't want to touch you.
So we're gonna get you going. Alright. Double knockdown. Shine your light, shine your light, shine your light.
I didn't want to fucking bleed. Help, please.
We're gonna stand you up and we're gonna hey, come on. We're gonna stand you up and we're gonna sit you in our car, right?
No.
That was we were trying to, but they can't. Oh, is that what they're doing? Okay, they will. They're great. Come on.
Please, no way. What don't you want?
I don't want you. Please, I don't.
Listen, we'd rather take you.
I can't stand up.
Can I help you?
I can't.
Okay.
Look at my fucking feet.
I know. We're gonna help you. I'm gonna help you.
Please help me, please.
1, 2, 3.
My arm is stuck. Please, you're hurting me. You're hurting me, please.
It's okay. Leave her down. We don't want to hurt you.
It hurts so bad.
So we'll go sedate her, but they said it's going to take like at least 10 minutes.
No!
Okay, that's fine.
Alright.
No, get off me, please. Get off me, please.
Hey, Goldie, go over there and talk to her mom, see if she's allergic to anything.
I'm not.
You're not?
I'm gonna fucking relationship. You see that shit with me? I'm gonna fuck all of you up. Let me go.
Hey,
You know why that's happening? You know why this is happening? Because of that.
Hey, we want to help
You
you.
relax.
If you relax, we'll help you.
But you're not relaxed.
You did.
They're not gonna help
Hey,
me.
look at me.
They're not gonna help me.
It is a simple wreck.
You want to bite us?
This is a simple wreck. Come on now, Molly. It's just a little wreck. Don't you want to go home tonight?
Yes, I'm
Okay. Then let us help you. Let us help you with that.
We don't want you to tip forward into that mud puddle.
I wanna go home. I don't want you to. I
Okay.
don't want you to help me, please.
Well, why do you want to fight us?
I wanna go home.
Why do you wanna fight?
Please.
I know.
Please. Please let me go.
You'll tip forward into that mud puddle. We don't want that.
I wanna go home. Please let me go.
You told your mom to fuck off.
Get off me. I don't care. Get off me.
Listen to me.
I don't care. Stab me. I don't care.
We're not gonna do
I don't care.
Molly.
I don't care.
What are you doing? Just
Get
drinking
off
all
of me. I
You're just
can't.
drinking?
I can't.
Oh, this is alcohol?
Get off of me now. Get off of me.
Leaning that way.
Get off of me, please.
Molly, it's okay.
I don't care.
10 minutes?
I don't care.
Yeah.
Get off my
It's okay, Molly.
That blood pressure's pretty good. It might be faster now.
You don't roll into that wall.
I am. Hey, Molly. I'm gonna get you home, okay? I just need you to work with me.
You're gonna get me home.
Hey, can I move the hair from your face? There you go. I'm gonna move the grass.
I'm trying to be drunk. Please help
Huh?
me. Please help me. Please help me up. Please
Where do you live? What's your address?
Please get me up. I just want to sit up.
Let's just sit for now. We're just gonna lay down for now.
Please help me up. Please. I'm not trying to be that. Please help me. Please. You're not gonna help me.
Why?
I'm looking. Please help me. Please, Jamie. Please.
I'm not Jamie. I'm Philip.
Please help me. Please help me. Please.
You gonna calm down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please help me.
Because I will work with you.
Please, I will help you. Please help
Okay.
me.
We'll see how this calms you down.
Please, baby. Please.
Okay.
Please, I need help.
Okay. I got you.
Please help me. Please, baby. Please help me. Please, baby. Please.
Calming down.
Please help me.
I think she's calming down.
Baby. Please.
So we gonna try to do that? Stretch her?
Yeah, she's calming now.
Please help me.
You gonna work with these nice ladies?
Yes.
They're gonna try to get you checked out,
Let me
okay?
get up, please.
All right.
Help me.
So you just gotta roll to your butt. Roll to your butt.
Let me go with my hands, please. It hurts.
Okay.
Please help me, please. Please help me. Please let me go.
We're gonna help you.
We're trying to help you.
Come this way. Come this way. All right. Now we're gonna lean you forward, and you're gonna stand up on your feet.
Okay.
1, 2.
I can't stand up.
Yes, you can. Hey,
please,
flatten
please
them
let
out.
me go.
Hey,
please, I
that's
can't.
what we're doing.
I have to
If you can't stand up, we can't let you go.
You have to stand up.
You have to stand up. Show us you can stand up.
Can I put my hands in front of you?
You cannot. Because you always want to fight us.
Just stand up real fast. Your feet. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There you go. We are. Hey,
Help.
listen. Just kind of pick her up if you have to. Just little steps. There you go. Little steps.
No, we're
All right. This is
drag.
Greg.
Let me go.
This is Greg.
No, let me go. I don't
You're not
care.
getting let go.
Please help me go. Please help. Help. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Hey, you want to take them off for now?
Please, it hurts.
And then put it back on?
Please, it hurts.
No, those.
Please, let me go.
Let's take those off. Let's get her on. We'll put them back on when we get her on.
Please, let me go.
Hey, I'm going to take those off your legs, okay?
Let me go.
I'm going to take those off.
It hurts so bad. Please,
I'm going to take them off, okay?
Please let me go. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. Please, please, please. I'll put it in front of me.
Okay.
Please, I don't care. It hurts so bad. Please, please, please stop.
All right. Let's go to your knees. Go to your knees. There you go. Help me stand up, buddy. 1, 2, 3.
I can't. My legs are behind me. I can't.
Okay. We're going to pull you back a little more then.
Please don't.
There you go.
Please don't. Please.
All right, I'm 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Molly.
I'm trying. Please don't. Please, it hurts so bad. Please. Please hurt so bad.
What hurts?
Please.
What hurts?
You pull my shoulders behind my head.
All right, can you get to your knee? One knee? I'm going to roll you to your left. You're going to get on this knee.
Please, I just want to sit for a second.
All right, hey, get to this knee.
Sorry,
Come on.
please.
Come on.
Please.
Come on.
No.
Come on. There you go. Hey, walk to that.
Come on. We're gonna have a seat right on the stretcher, okay?
It's okay.
Way up there in that crease.
Turn around. Turn around.
I don't care if I hurt.
All right.
You gotta scoot back some.
Nobody cares if I fucking hurt. It hurts so bad.
Hey, can you put your legs straight out for me?
It hurts so bad.
Put them out.
I'm not trying to do anything.
All right, let's get this off. Let's get this off.
Please.
Oh, you want back on over
I want to fucking get out of here.
And then this one.
Baby, please get inside my arms. Please. I feel like I'm
You want to ride since I'm 15 or vice versa, whatever, I don't care. Okay. I'll follow, and we'll get you back, obviously.
Let me go turn.
Hey, let me see if I can get 1229 down here. Mansfield.
See if she's if she's coming up not to fight, you might be able to follow him in the car.
Okay.
If not,
I'll ask him. Hey, do y'all think y'all still gonna want someone in here or
I
what?
can't do this. Please help me.
Just hold my rider.
We got her on